Jesus. Welcome, game developers and modelers, to Mad Head and Doug Teaches Blender. Yes. If you're wondering what happened to the floor, I just hit it by hitting H. Uh, what are we gonna do? And let's make this fucking table and maybe some chairs. Okay. So to make a table, we just need to Shift A. Let's add a cube. Uh, wow, you do not sound right. It's mainly. I'm okay. It's just a little tired is all. For the record, I'm holding down Control to snap to grid. Looks like isn't not much of a grid. Okay. Let's G this some more. Top view. Fine, we'll work with this. No! Fucking. Ugh. Shift. Q. G. Hold down Control for snapping. The snappage. Okay, let's go into edit mode. We're just going to. I'm gonna hit 3. I'm gonna grab these two polys. Shift. And I'm just gonna scale them out on the Y. Yeah. For the record, I hit SY. So now, let's make sure this is proportionate. I'm just gonna grab this GY. There we go. Let's make this table SX for X axis. No. Why? Did you even watch The Punisher? No. Are you going to watch it? No. Why are you quoting it? Because it's I don't fucking care. Apparently that's like the best thing that happened in that Punisher series. Is he coming back? Yeah, I heard he's coming back. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I mean, I'm not gonna judge. First I'm gonna move this down though. G on the Z. And there should do it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let me go back into object mode. G on the Z. And let's go back into edit mode. Are you gonna move its pivot point? No. I'll do it later. Hit us. Set. Control R. Let's get this up. Moving my mouse wheel up. How many legs do I need? 4. Yeah, but how many segments? I think this is actually a good amount. Nope. Scale this on the Y. Yep. Whatever, that should do it. Let's Control R again. Nope. There we go. Control R. Scale on the X. So we can move these right around there so we can have the table legs. Are you gonna make the chairs? I'm gonna try. Actually, I should have enough time with this tutorial. Oh, hit 3. Yep. What? What? 3. What the fuck? What happened? I don't know. I'll find out though. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's go to object mode. I'm just gonna scale this on the Z. Start moving it down. G on the Z. Tab into edit mode. Okay. Let's go to the top view. And Control R again. And middle mouse button. I'm gonna scale this on the Y. So they can move over there best they could. Now I have to hit Control R again. Scale on the X. No. There. Hit 3. Uh-huh. What are you? What the? You know, whatever. That was weird. Yes. No. Damn it. Ugh. Damn it. The shift key's stuck. Damn this. Oh my god. Hold on. There. Oh my goodness. No! There. So with all 4 of these faces highlighted, we can hit 1. We're going to round these edges out. Why? But do I want to round out the whole table or just the legs? I could do both. I'll do both. But first things first, we're going to inset this so we can make the legs round. So I'm going to hit inset. Nope. Right around there should do it. And then I'm going to extrude them by hitting E. Moving down. Yeah, like so. Now what I can do is I'm going to hit 2. I'm going to click drag best I can. And I know I've missed some edges. So we got to look at this. This is going into East Village, right? Yes. Is this going to be one of the free models that they can download? Yes. When are you going to upload them? I still have to make that announcement video for Patreon. I mean, technically speaking, the Patreon we have is up right now, but I haven't uploaded the models. All of the models that I have right now are on CG Trader. And I have to get the paid models. I have to give it to them for free if they subscribe to the $5 tier. Is there still okay then? Okay, how are we gonna do this? We have to bevel the edges to round this out. But I've never, because I usually go for that. I'm gonna try. Should I hit B? Should I hit Control B? No, I'm going to do it this way. The edges. Hold on. Damn it, hold on. Damn it, hold on. So I need a good angle here. Okay, let's try it now. Yeah. Let's go into bevel. I'm gonna upgrade the segments so I can have a little more roundness. What about the table itself? You said you want to round the edges? Mm-hmm. What if I Alt? Uh-huh. Just checking. Shift Alt. Uh-huh. Shift Alt. Okay. Well, let's do that. There. 2, 3. Fuck! Let's try this. Okay. If you're wondering what this is, that's the polygons clipping into itself. That's bad. You don't want that. Right around there. Up the segments so that way we have more of a roundness. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. I'm good with that. Go back into here. Let's get out of the bevel menu. So we have the table. Now we need a chair. Ugh. 6 chairs to be precise. So let's go back into here. We're going into object mode. See, if I'm in edit mode and I add another object, that's bad because that means that new object is linked to this, and I want to make sure all of the objects are separate. The floor is separate. The walls are separate. The roof is eventually going to be separate. So we have to do that. Okay. Shift A. No, not Shift A. Control A. Good lord. No, I got. What the fuck is the